So here we have the Mazda 3 on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside though, you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the car first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. This car's also got a reversing camera, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the trip computer for the car. In the centre, the rev counter and digital readout for the speedometer. And over on the right-hand side, we have the fuel gauge for the vehicle. You can change the information that's displayed in these sections using buttons up on the main screen. So you can change through your trip computer information to reveal the total miles for this car, which are 79,256. If we back out to the steering wheel next, over on the left-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls. On the right-hand side, we have cruise control for the car. In the centre, we then have the main screen. So many options up on here, of course, including your music. This car's got FM, AM and DAB radio, a couple of Mazda-friendly apps, Bluetooth audio, 2 USB inputs, CD player and auxiliary input as well. All the movement I'm making on the screen is being done using this dial and the collection of buttons that surround it. So we're on the home screen at the moment. You can rotate the dial to any option you wish to have. Once you've highlighted that option, for example, communication, push that button down. We're then in the menu where you would pair your phone, which we're not going to do at this moment in time. So we're going to come back to the main menu. You'll also see this car's got satellite navigation. Really easy system to use. And on top of all of that, it has that full colour reversing camera that I mentioned before, with guidelines that show you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image shown on the screen. Working our way down, we have driver heated seat with 3 different heat settings and the same for the passenger side. Our dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the driver and temperature for the passenger. So driver, passenger temperature just there. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. The air conditioning's on at the minute, so you can put it into eco, you can turn it off, back on again, or push this button in to turn it to auto. In doing so, the car will now maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and direction of the air for you. You can override that manually whenever you wish to. With our CD player underneath that, then the gear lever for the 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.